We know almost everything about the upcoming iPhone SE 4, but there's still one big mystery that remains unsolved. Can you guess what it is? It's the color options. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down all the possibilities based on Apple's past trends and the latest rumors. So before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all things Apple. Apple has always kept things simple when it comes to the SE lineup. The first gen iPhone SE 2016 came in silver, space gray, gold, and the beloved rose gold. By the time the second gen SE launched in 2020, Apple streamlined the choices to just black, white, and product red, a trend that continued with the SE3 in 2022. Clearly, Apple has been sticking to a minimalist approach, focusing on the essentials while still keeping things sleek and stylish. Now, here's where things get interesting. Rumors suggest the iPhone SE 4 will adopt the iPhone 14's design, which could mean some fun changes in the color department. The iPhone 14 comes in midnight, starlight, blue, purple, and product red. If Apple borrows this lineup for the SE 4, we could see some fresh new shades added to the mix. But let's be real, Apple also loves cutting costs by reusing existing designs, so it wouldn't be surprising if they stick with their usual black, white, and red formula. One thing is almost certain, we'll get at least 3 colors. Looking at past sales data, black was the most popular color for the SE3, chosen by a massive 72% of buyers. Product red followed with 18%, and starlight, white, made up the remaining 10%. Given this trend, Apple might not take many risks, but we're still hoping for a surprise or two. So, what about you? Which colors would you love to see on the iPhone SE 4? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.